Did you know that you can now make this 8-second AI video with Google's most powerful Veo3 model that includes audio, background sound and more totally for free? And no, I don't mean some cheap substitute and another video creation tool. I mean how you can actually use Google's Veo3 model that currently only paid subscribers can use totally for free. If you answered yes, stay until the end of this video. I'm gonna walk you through it, where to go, I'll link everything below, how you can access it, and how you can start creating those videos. For example, these are the types of videos you can create.
Welcome to the group, where even turtles automate their funnels. Don't ask about the eggs, seriously.
So I created this with Veo3, it's 8-second video, with background sound, with voice, with everything. And I'm gonna show you even something crazier. They also recently introduced this where you can upload a photo of yourself and
built, he conquered, he still hasn't slept.
Clearly it's not perfect still, but the point is you can do a lot of cool stuff. And without further ado, I want to show you where to go, how to access it, and how to claim the free credits that they're giving. So you're gonna go to Google Labs. I think you can literally just Google like Google Labs and it's the first link. It's like labs.google. You go here, you can go create with flow. It will take you here and then you will go again create with flow and then it will finally take you here. Well, actually not here. It will ask you to choose your Google account. Now at the time of me recording this and why I'm recording this video is that they are allowing you access their most powerful Veo3 model for free and get $300 in free credits. I think it's for the 3 months or something like that. You do need to leave a card from what I saw, because I do have paid Google account, so I didn't need to leave my card details. But when I was testing this out with another one, they asked for the card. But again, when they're giving 300 credits, they're not gonna charge you. So once you come here, you can start creating your projects. And what's really cool is that they gave you all these different options, right? Text to video, which is like your classical prompting, where you give a prompt and it gives you the video, kind of like the first one that I showed you with the monkey welcoming people in the group. You have frames to video, which is where you can generate an image or upload an image and also give it prompt, right? This one is really cool if you want to do your own images. So for example, I'll upload this image of myself and I'll say generate a video where drinking coffee and money is falling out of the sky, whatever. Now it's gonna take it a bit to generate the videos and then you can download them. Now what's really cool is that they sometimes allow you, I didn't have this option initially, to allow you like multiple outputs per prompt, so you can go 1, 2, 3 and 4, but keep in mind that this will probably eat more of your credits, so maybe you're gonna wanna go with 1 or with 2. Yeah, so you can see each generation uses 20 credits based on your current settings. So you can choose between Veo3 Fast, which is in beta, and quality. Again, I would say for most use cases, you can go with just Fast one. This one will eat more of your credits, so just bear that in mind. But the point is, you can start generating this for free. Like before, I used to go to my Gemini account, and when I wanted to create them, again, you need to have at least Pro account, and I was limited to only 3 videos per day. And I just click here, it's Veo3, and again I have options to prompt it, or I can upload the photo and create from there. But again, if you are not paying and don't want to pay for Gemini, I think, or like myself, you want more video generations every single day than just be limited to 3, then I think this is a really cool way where you can access it, play with it. I saw people creating some really viral videos. You can create memes, you can create ads, honestly, and you can do all sorts of cool stuff. Okay, we got our first video, so let's check it out. I just realized that I forgot to tell it to add some sound, because I think there are a lot of AIs now that can generate really cool real looking videos, but one of the main advantages of Veo3 over the others is that it can generate sound, background and voice, and I think that's what is making it like super powerful. It's looking cool. This was like a stupid prompt. Let's see the other version. actually like this one better. So when you download it, you can download it as a GIF in the original size, or you can upscale it. So you click here, it takes it a moment, and then you can download it from there if you want like the higher quality, which I generally do recommend. Now, you don't just want to do this, what I did, I just wanted to showcase this, but you, since we are kind of limited with how much we can create, I do recommend you to take much more thought into prompting. First, strategizing what do you want to create, and then actually going to your LLM of choice. It can be, I usually use Chat or Gemini 2.5 Pro, and you can work with it to kind of like convey your vision and then turn it into a prompt. So the downloading is over. You can just click download and it will download it, and you can have it, you can upload it on social media, etc, etc. Now, I wanted to give you another pro tip. When you're prompting, you don't want to do what I just did here. This was just to showcase this video. What I like to personally do is go to either ChatGPT or Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it doesn't matter, you can go to any LLM of your choice, and then work together with that LLM to create a detailed prompt that will give you a better video. What this can look like is, let me give you an example. I was working a bit with prompting here. For example, I split it, or Chat split it into 5 parts, I think. So one is core content, where you tell it what's happening, what the video is about. Another one is environment and background. It has like location setting, background style, colors, etc. Then visual style and mood, camera angle, lighting, mood, etc. Voice, if you have people or animals or whatever, scripting, accent, tone, etc. And technical preferences, right? Now, another pro tip is, once you use this, by the way, let me know in the comments if you want, I'll just put this into a doc and send it to you. And what you can do is explain to, again, Chat or any other LLM what you want, and then tell it to give you like the JSON output. This is simply a format, so I can tell it like, create me JSON style output, where I'm promoting AI lead agent, think of something funny with animals. And instead of me having to figure out the exact prompt, it will give you the prompt in JSON style. So this is how it looks, right? Now, obviously you want to be even more detailed than I was, like maybe you want to have dialogue, you want to go back and forth, etc, etc. But just to showcase this, so I can come here, I can come to this, I'll go to just prompt, and I'll paste this JSON, and it will start creating. Again, I should have changed this to one video because of the credits, but you get the point. By the way, if you're looking to make more money with AI, save time, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week where I'm diving into the latest tools, free tools, how I'm using AI to make money, to save hours and hours every single week. So consider subscribing, and if you got any value out of this video, consider liking it. So Google didn't allow this for whatever reason. They said some use of humans. So I told Chat to give me another prompt. So let's try if this one will work. But they did eat my credits, so that's not cool. They ate 40 of my credits. Okay, looks like it's done. Let's see what it got.
In the jungle, even animals close clients. Powered by AI lead agent. What's your excuse?
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
In the jungle.
So obviously you can play around with it, but you can see with a simple text prompt, JSON file, you can get more and more detailed. And another powerful thing about doing it with JSON is that you can get AI to remember the scene, because every time you're creating a video, it changes it, so you're limited to 8 seconds. But if you want to create a bit longer videos, you want to stack those 8-second videos, you need the same output basically. And I think when you do the same JSON with the same background, same music, same voice, same character, it will allow you to do more coherent videos. Let's see the other one.
In the jungle, even animals close clients. Powered by AI lead agent. What's your excuse?
Yeah, so pretty cute. This is for my low ticket product. I don't know if I can use this, but I can use it as a meme, like on Facebook, post it, get some traffic and get some sales. But anyways, there you have it. Just go to Google Labs, create an account. You should get 300 credits, again, at least at the time of me recording this, and you can start creating videos for your business. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I think you're gonna love this video where I show you how I use another Google's AI, which is totally free, to create an entire sales funnel, everything from copy, upsells, pricing, design, literally everything was assisted with this free AI, so check that video out.